Your empire awaits. Join the Shopify revolution. You have a passion, you have a dream, you have what it takes to be an entrepreneur. The internet is your playground. Shopify is your key. It's time to build your own empire, your own online store. No more excuses. Today we start. Shopify makes it easy. No tech skills needed, it's affordable. Plus, there's a huge community to support you. Get ready to share your passion with the world. Let's do this. Starting an online business is the future. It's about freedom. It's about being your own boss. Shopify gives you the tools, you bring the hustle. Together we win. Are you ready to change your life? Are you ready to join the Shopify revolution? Let's go. The journey starts now. Embrace the challenge. Embrace the opportunity. With Shopify, you're never alone. There's always support, always guidance. Let's build something amazing together. Welcome to the Shopify revolution. Shopify setup easy as 1, 2, sold. First things first, let's get you set up on Shopify. It's easier than you think. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Go to shopify.com. Click Start Free Trial. Enter your email and create a password. That's it. 2. Tell Shopify about your store. What's your store name? What are you selling? Be clear. Be specific. 3. Enter your personal information. Shopify needs this to pay you. Don't worry, your information is safe and secure. Congratulations. You are now a Shopify store owner. Give yourself a high five. Dress to impress. Choosing your Shopify look. Your Shopify store is your online home. It needs to look amazing. Shopify has tons of themes to choose from. Free or paid, there's something for everyone. Browse the Shopify theme store. Look for a theme that matches your brand. Think about your products, think about your style. Choose a theme that feels right. Once you've picked a theme, it's time to customize. Add your logo. Choose your colors. Make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment. Change things up. Make your store stand out from the crowd. This is your chance to shine. Section 4. Stock your shelves, adding products like a boss. Now for the fun part, adding your products. This is where your passion comes to life. Click Add Product. Give your product a catchy name. Write a killer description. Highlight the benefits. Make people want it. Upload amazing photos. Show your product from different angles. Use high-quality images. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 sales. Set your prices. Think about your costs. Think about your profit margin. Don't undervalue your work. You deserve to get paid. Section 5. Picture perfect product photos that sell. Your product photos are everything. They can make or break your sales. Here's how to take photos that convert. First, use natural lighting. Avoid harsh shadows. Natural light makes your products look their best. Second, show your product in action. Let people visualize using it. Make it real, make it relatable. Third, use a clean background. White or light gray works best. Keep the focus on your product. No distractions. Fourth, edit your photos. Adjust the brightness. Crop for impact. Make your photos pop. Section 6. Open for business. Setting up shop. Your store is almost ready to launch. Just a few more things to take care of. First, set up your payment gateway. Shopify integrates with popular options like PayPal and Stripe. Make it easy for customers to pay you. Second, configure your shipping rates. Offer different options. Be transparent about costs. No one likes hidden fees. Third, set up your taxes. This part can be tricky. Consult with a professional if needed. Better safe than sorry. Once you've taken care of these essentials, you're ready to open your doors to the world. Hit that publish button and get ready to celebrate. Pause 3S. Section 7. Marketing your Shopify store. Congratulations, your store is live. Now it's time to attract customers. Start by optimizing your SEO. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions and titles. Next, harness the power of social media. Create engaging content that showcases your products. Collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. Utilize email marketing. Build a subscriber list and send out regular newsletters with exclusive offers. Don't forget about paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can drive targeted traffic to your store. Lastly, analyze your data. Use Shopify's analytics tools to track what's working and what needs improvement. With these strategies, you'll be on your way to growing a successful online business. Pause 3S. Section 8. Managing orders and shipping. Now that your store is attracting customers, it's crucial to manage orders efficiently. Start with Shopify's order management system. It organizes incoming orders and makes tracking a breeze. Next, set up your shipping options. Shopify allows you to customize shipping rates based on location, weight, and more. Consider integrating with third-party shipping apps for automated label printing and real-time tracking. Don't forget to keep your customers informed. Send automated email updates for order confirmations and shipping notifications. Finally, handle returns and refunds with care. A smooth return process builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. Master these steps, and you'll ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Pause 3S. Section 9. Analyzing your store's performance. Once your store is up and running, it's essential to keep an eye on its performance to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Shopify provides a robust analytics dashboard that offers insights into your sales, customer behavior, and overall store performance. Start by reviewing your sales reports. These reports show your total sales, average order value, and sales by product. Use these insights to identify your best-selling products and understand your revenue trends. Next, dive into your customer reports. Understand where your customers are coming from, their purchase habits, and their demographics. This information can help you tailor your marketing efforts and improve customer retention. Don't forget to monitor your traffic reports. These reports show how visitors are finding your store, which pages they visit, and how long they stay. Use this data to optimize your website's user experience and improve your SEO strategies. Lastly, track your marketing campaigns. Shopify's analytics can show you which campaigns are driving the most traffic and sales. Use this information to adjust your marketing strategies and allocate your budget more effectively. By regularly analyzing your store's performance, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and success. Chapter 10. Scaling your business. Pause 2S. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to analyze your store's performance, it's time to think about scaling your business. Scaling effectively means growing your business in a sustainable and manageable way. First, consider expanding your product line. Introducing new products that complement your existing offerings can attract new customers and boost sales. Use the insights from your analytics to identify market gaps and customer needs. Next, think about automating repetitive tasks. Shopify offers a range of apps and integrations that can help you automate everything from inventory management to email marketing. Automation frees up your time so you can focus on strategic growth activities. Don't forget the power of partnerships. Collaborating with influencers, other businesses, or even your customers can amplify your reach and credibility. Look for partnerships that align with your brand values and can provide mutual benefits. Lastly, explore new sales channels. Selling on multiple platforms like Amazon, eBay, or social media can help you reach a broader audience. Shopify makes it easy to integrate these channels into your existing store. By strategically scaling your business, you can achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. Remember, the key is to make informed decisions based on data and to always keep your customers at the heart of your strategy. Pause 3S. Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Start scaling today and watch your business soar.